So let me address where the expected value comes from once, and we do it hundreds of times in this dashboard. So basically, it comes from multiple regression analysis. All right, and on this axis, we have total expenses. This axis, we have students, number of FTE students. This axis, total operating revenue. All right, so all this is a visual representation of what linear regression does. This is a multiple linear regression where the dependent variable is total expenses, and then X1 is students, X2 is operating revenue. And what the regression will do is show you the average spending for any combination of students and operating revenue. And that average spending is that plane that it fits to the data set there. Okay. So you may have noticed that the red dots here are Drew, and I can zoom in a little bit. Those red dots off the plane like that, that's Drew's problem that I'm about to talk about. They're off the plane. The plane is where they should be if they're going to be average for the peer set and given the revenue and students, and they're well above the plane. All right, and you can see it right here. Their operating revenue is 79 million. Their predicted spending, given that revenue and their students, they're about 2,200 students. Their predicted spending is 78 million. All right, just below actually what their revenue is, which is exactly where you should be. All right, so that's this result up here. All right, so their expected spending is 79, their actual is 91. The difference is $12 million.